safe to say video doorbells are quickly becoming a must-have for home security, and with so many affordable options out there, they're easier than ever to get your hands on. The budget market for doorbell cameras is growing fast, but it's getting harder to find one that truly fits your needs. Well, Botslab thinks their affordable option might just be the one you're looking for. This is the Botslab R810. This 5-megapixel video doorbell camera has a head-to-toe 360-degree panoramic view, ensuring you capture everything happening at your doorstep. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you even have 4 view modes to choose from to get the image that works for you. Not only that, but we have a 150-day battery life, no monthly fees, motion detection, 2-way audio, and a pre-installed 32GB SD card. So the burning question is this product truly worth that asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. Now unboxing this unit, and it is safe to say you get everything you could possibly need in the box for a quick and easy install. You get the doorbell, a base station, the mounting bracket, positioning stickers, screws, cables, and your basic user manual. When it comes to the quality, the doorbell definitely impresses for the price. It has a rather sleek modern design that feels slightly premium, especially when you compare it to other budget-friendly options. The materials feel somewhat sturdy, and the finish gives it a more high-end appearance than you'd expect from a device in this price range. Now, by far one of the best things about the Botslab video doorbell is how easy it is to set up right out of the box. You really don't need to be a tech expert to get it going. First, plug the indoor base station into a socket and rotate the antennas into place. Then just press and hold the power button on the doorbell for 5 seconds to turn it on. Once that's done, we can head over to the app. Setting up with the app is just as easy. Simply tap the plus icon in the top right-hand corner and scan the QR code on the device. I have to admit, pairing the device on the whole is rather quick and straightforward. Now, when installing this doorbell, it is recommended to mount the bracket at a height of around 1.5 meters. Thankfully, the kit comes with the option to screw this in or use the supplied adhesive pads. It is really up to you. You have the option to run it off the built-in battery, which lasts around 150 days, or hardwire it in with a power supply. There are some hardwiring cables provided, but as a whole, most users will probably use the battery option as it's more sufficient and offers a much more hassle-free setup. And that is something I went for. Now that the video doorbell is installed, let's talk about the video quality. The 5-megapixel 2240p image isn't going to win any awards, but for a budget-friendly option, it's pretty solid. Colors look decent, and the overall sharpness is more than enough to capture clear doorstep interactions. But as I say, it's not super high-end, but it definitely does the job. As mentioned earlier though, what really stands out for me the most is that unique 360-degree head-to-toe view. This wide-angle coverage makes sure you can see everything happening at and around your doorstep, eliminating most blind spots. Whether it's a delivery or someone standing by the door, you get a complete detailed view which might give off this unflattering fisheye effect, but you can't deny it enhances both your security and peace of mind. I think the ability to change the viewing angle is a really nice touch. You can choose from up to 4. Now, apart from the panoramic mode just talked about, there's a horizon correction mode which places a 4:3 crop. And to be honest, this can be great for a standard viewing angle for most needs. Alternatively, you could switch to the vertical correction mode, which offers a full 16:9 image, which is much better for phone-friendly use and seems to be the one I stick to the most. But I can't deny that VR mode is certainly very interesting. It lets you pan around the image so you can zoom in on specific areas within the frame. Just being able to move that camera around and find the area you need, well, it is something you just can't get with other doorbells. Now, there are 2 ways to back up your footage. The easiest and most cost-effective option is using the supplied micro SD card station. This saves everything locally with no extra fees. And it's certainly the one I chose. Alternatively though, you can use cloud storage with free options available, though to unlock all features, a paid monthly plan is required. But as I said, for most users though, the supplied base station and SD card will be more than enough. Not only that, but it is a rather secure storage solution, and it helps keep everything safe inside your home rather than on the cloud. Now, the app interface for the doorbell is more than user-friendly and intuitive enough for most people to get their heads around it. You can easily watch back recordings and review footage directly from your phone. The app lets you scroll through events and view the live feed when needed. Now, watching back the recordings sometimes takes a few seconds to load, but as a whole, it's more than easy enough to simply select the event you want to see and play it back. Now, the AI detection works rather well in recognizing humans, detecting those that stay, and identifying visitors, ensuring you only get those important alerts. I did take a bit of time to tweak the sensitivity a bit in the menu to avoid false alarms from people just passing by, but overall, it's been really useful. Whenever there's activity near my home, I get an alert on my phone with a preview, which gives me a bit of peace of mind, especially when I'm not home. Now, there is two-way audio on the doorbell, which works relatively well for basic communication. The speaker quality isn't amazing, but it's more than adequate for most purposes. For example, it's perfect for directing a delivery driver or telling someone where to leave a package. Now, although the audio won't win any awards, it's more than good enough for its intended purpose. Now, another standout feature of this video doorbell is its impressive 24 feet night vision, and this really did surprise me. It just ensures that even in low light conditions, you still get a rather clear, detailed image of anyone approaching your door. It really doesn't matter the level of darkness. I have found that you can rely on the camera to capture important footage when needed. Now, all in all, navigating the video doorbell market can be tricky with so many options out there. But with affordable choices like this one, offering unique features like a 360-degree viewing angle, it's easy to see why people are leaning towards these budget-friendly options over pricier alternatives like Ring. Plus, that one-time payment with no hidden monthly storage fees makes it an even more attractive choice for those looking for great value without sacrificing on security. I really do think the moral of the story here is, if you're after a budget-friendly video doorbell, you really can't go wrong with this as an option. As always, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.